Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent Jewels Across America monthly subscription. And this month is the Golden State, California. So if you're not familiar, every month you get a candle from a state and you get a little sticker to put on the map. And then there's a bonus item that doesn't have a ring, but that changes every month, which you'll see here in a moment. So we have our little sticker, and the scent is Moscato Punch. So let me put the sticker on the map. I've been doing this since the beginning, and we still have many, many states to do. Let's see. Light our Moscato Punch candle and go for a wine tour anywhere, anytime. So it kind of talks about where they got the fragrance. So let's take a look. Our bonus item is a smaller poured candle. So we have this one. This one will not have a ring or any kind of jewelry in it. It's just an essential product. But this one has a ring normally valued at $40, but I believe it can also be more than that. And here's what that looks like. Has a lid, 3 wicks. Yeah, that smells definitely like a wine or grape kind of scent. So excited for that. The ring's right there. Typically it's at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and start burning that, and I'll be back to show you what ring came inside my monthly subscription. Okay, so the ring is right here in the corner. And it looks like a really bulky ring again, which I feel like has been happening a lot with the monthly subscription. And I do not like bulky rings. Let's just hope it's not a duplicate of one I've gotten before. One of mine broke and they sent me... Oh. Okay, let's get that out and look at it. It looks like it's a ton of rings that stack, which is very interesting. And I think that distracted me so much I just quit what I was saying. I got one of these candles and it was broken. And I pulled the ring out and it was like this huge bulky ring. They sent me a replacement one, and inside that was another huge bulky ring. It was the exact same one. Wow. I have never seen one like that. There are 7 bands, but they're connected. That's kind of cool. Go ahead and clean up, look up the code, and I'll be right back. So the code for this one is PP36, which means it appraised for $40, which is the minimum you get with that subscription. But this is so cool. It is connected by that piece, but they're all individual bands. I don't think I've seen anything like that. I've definitely got sets before, but nothing that had so many bands that connected. And it's not like uncomfortable to wear, even though it's really thick. So I like that a lot. Probably my most favorite ring I've gotten from them in a long time. So it's bulky in the sense that it's like thick, but it doesn't like stick up high or anything like that. Not like other ones I've gotten in the past. So really cool. So that's what I got for this month's subscription. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link below in case you want to join and sign up for a box of your own. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.